Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at key to markets. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Key to Markets is a globally regulated ECN broker that was founded in 2010 and is based in London. With Key to Markets, you can trade a variety of currency pairs, indices, commodities and shares, and there are more than 180 tradable instruments on offer, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. There are multiple accounts to choose from, and as a client, you will be able to use Fix API, myfxbook, and free virtual private servers. Key to Markets offers a straightforward, minimalistic website. You can easily find out more about the accounts, instruments and platforms they offer by choosing an option from the menu bar. The homepage displays information about the trading conditions and instruments they offer, and if you scroll all the way down, you can view the payment methods you can use. At the very bottom of the homepage, you will find listed menus that you can use to navigate directly to different sections of the website. To learn more about the instruments you can trade with this broker, hover your cursor over the Market tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. Key to Markets currently offers 65 major and exotic currency pairs and a variety of commodities, shares, and indices. You can contact the Key to Markets support team telephonically during business hours or via email, and you can also submit a web ticket or request a callback. Key to Markets accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. The platform was released in 2005 and offers advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and it can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much, much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and it is also a fantastic option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Advanced developers and quant traders can use the Key to Markets Fix API protocol to connect to price data feeds and to send orders. We recommend using Fix API if you are a professional trader with programming knowledge and at least $5,000 in your trading account. You can also use myfxbook to automate your trades, and this is a beginner-friendly option because you will be able to follow successful traders without paying any performance fees or management fees. myfxbook is one of the most trusted methods for copy trading, and you can try the auto trade function in demo mode before making any financial commitments. Key to Markets also offers free virtual private servers, which allow strategies to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and the ECN technology used allows you to trade with no market making, transparent pricing, and fast, secure execution. Key to Markets is a popular option for investors because of the PAMM accounts they offer. A PAMM account is a form of pooled money forex trading. With Key to Markets, you can open a money manager account, an investor account, or join the SOCIAL PAMMs program, which is similar to copy trading. In addition to the PAMM accounts, there are also two types of trading accounts that you can open with Key to Markets. These accounts are designed for the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and a minimum deposit of only $100 is required to use either of these accounts. They can also be used for scalping and news trading, and there are no restrictions on the number of pending orders that you can open. The Pro account offers the tightest spreads. However, a small commission fee is charged, and commission fees vary depending on your trading volumes. The Pro account is recommended for scalpers and high-volume traders, while the Standard account is suitable for beginners and all other types of traders. The Standard account is a commission-free account with raw spreads starting from 1 pip. You also have the option of opening a demo account to practice trading in a risk-free environment using virtual funds. And Muslim clients can convert their accounts to swap-free accounts that will charge no interest or rollover fees on overnight positions. Key to Markets also offers a special savings account that allows you to earn interest on your trading funds while you wait for the right opportunity to trade. This account is easy to open, and you can instantly transfer funds between your savings account and your trading accounts. Creating an account with Key to Markets may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the Key to Markets homepage, and then click on the Open Real Account button. Complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been set up, you can log into the client portal. Within the client portal, you can create and manage your accounts, create demo accounts, and more. After your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install the MetaTrader 4 platform, and then simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Key to Markets. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window, and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and would like to learn more about the MetaTrader trading platform, you can find a variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you to get started with the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. With regards to educational resources and material, Key to Markets does not provide a wide extensive variety of educational resources. However, they do provide the Key to Markets blog, which includes educational and news analysis for you to check in on weekly and daily market news that can be viewed at any time, free of charge. Overall, Key to Markets not only offers flexible trading accounts and investment accounts, but you can also earn more on your deposits by opening a savings account with them. And we recommend trading with Key to Markets if you are interested in automating your trades. With Key to Markets, you can trade a variety of currency pairs, indices, commodities and shares, commission-free and with ultra-low spreads. If you are interested, be sure to open your Key to Markets account today to get a head start on your trading career. And that is our overview of Key to Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.